Hi, this is Jeremy with Unique Classic Cars in Mankato, Minnesota, and you might be asking yourself, what does this antique gas pump and this vintage truck have in common? Let me tell you, there's a lot of both going on right now on our online auctions. All you have to do is go to uniqueclassiccars.com, click on auctions, and you'll be able to see both of these. First off, we have a very large estate, no reserve auction. There's over 500 lots, gas pumps, vintage signs, tons of old Ford parts from the 20s through the 50s. There's tractors, there's lawnmowers, there's antiques, there's military items, Coca-Cola items. This estate sale has it all. There's over 500 lots. That ends on September 29th. Bidding ends September 29th. Second, get into our friends at the Vintage Trucks. If you like vintage trucks, you've got to check out this auction. Also, you can find that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on auctions. There's nearly 30 vintage pickup trucks, all Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge. So whether you're looking for something big or small, Unique Classic Car Auctions has it all.